It's been super nice. We've had this little secret side entrance and exit that's made it really easy to get the dogs in and out to take them to the bathroom. This is our first time in a long time we're taking the dogs with us on a trip. It's been fun. It's not as much work as I remember it being. Oh, good doggies. All right, it's open. You can let them in. Hey, buds. No, stay in the back. Back seat, back seat, back seat. Would you just look at this beautiful location in Bellingham? Did you have a fun time at this hotel?
I had a fun time with it all, even though you stressed me out.
Hey, thanks again to Trey VAX for putting us up in this awesome hotel. It was a great time, very relaxing. Very nice hotel. You know, we would have stayed in like a Holiday Inn, you know that, but
we would have stayed in a Motel 8.
yeah, we would have stayed really anywhere, but to have us in such a nice hotel, we really appreciate it. It's been really relaxing and very nice. So thank you, and dog friendly. How cool is that? This is the Chrysalis Inn in Bellingham, I think, and we're off. Let's go find a Starbucks, maybe. Come on, let's get going to Starbucks. I need coffee in my diet. Oh, where are my sunglasses? I'm blind. Oh. Race. Be it. Okay. Navigate to Starbucks.
Talking to me? Just talking to your computer, don't know.
Navigate. Maurice! Oh my god, you're so annoying! Oh my god. If you guys haven't seen King Julian, the show on Netflix, you gotta watch it. The most underrated show ever. It's the best.
You are King Julian.
I'm honored. You have honored me. I am so humble. Look at me. Des is getting some coffee. It has been incredible having you guys as an audience, and to just be able to make these videos and have an outlet for my creativity. It's yeah, it means a lot to me to have someone that watches routinely. We met some really awesome people on this trip. I met a couple fans of the channel, which is just like still blows my mind, and it's awesome, man. Like last night we met this dude at the bar, and he was a fan of the channel, and he sat down, had beers with us, and we played cornhole, and it was a great time. And I just like kept the cameras off, and I didn't want to make anyone uncomfortable. But you know what, like if you guys see me out on the streets, just come say hi. Seriously. And if I have any decals nearby, I'll pass you guys some decals. These are our decals. They say MP Max Pal, and they're kind of a limited edition. So I'll run 350 of these. I sell them myself out of my own personal little online store, and I ship them myself. And the next batch might look a little bit different. So we'll see what happens. They make wallets. They make wallets like this. Hey. Okay, yeah, that guy is sketchy. What's he got, dude? That guy's got a fucking bow. Oh my gosh, that guy's got a bow and arrow. Ninja! Anyways, so that's why we're out here. We're filming a lifestyle series with them, and it's not so much about like pitching product. It's more about just like trying to encapsulate what the company's ideals are and what they stand for and what they want to represent. And they want to represent like family friendly, fun people that are getting out there and exploring and living their lives to the fullest. So they saw something in my channel and decided that they wanted to have me come out, and so I'm just like super honored. It's like really cool to be a part of that. So you guys can check them out on Trayvax.com. They're on Instagram, Trayvax, Facebook, and now they have a YouTube series, and so you can watch their series about us coming with them on this journey, and it's gonna be a really professional. I looked at some of the footage yesterday, and it's like, it's gonna be sick. So check it out on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to their channel. This will be the last episode of this series. If you want to show them your support, head over to their website. You can use discount code MAXX10, MAXX10, and get a 10% discount. And that is something that I'm like excited to share with you guys. It helps me out a little bit. I get a little kickback because they got to pay me a commission, which is great. So it helps us like do these sorts of trips, and it pays for camera equipment and those kinds of things. So, oh my goodness. Yes.
Will you put these on the middle console to start being a goofball so I can get a car?
I'll put them wherever you like. Yes. I am having a venti quad shot Americano with heavy cream and half the white chocolate. I don't know what happened to me. I've turned into a coffee diva.
What?
Uh-huh.
You?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
The sweet nectar from the beans. Thank you. Which one's mine? Are they both the same?
No.
Oh.
I don't drink girl coffee.
Just talking to myself in here. And then this dude comes up, and Bodhi starts barking, and I'm like, Bodhi! And then I look over, and it's like the dude's super sketchy, and I was like, yeah, bark, bark!
Never mind.
Ah, God.
Good job.
The guy had a bow and arrow with it.
Oh, kind of like that lightsaber guy.
But this was like a real bow and arrow. He probably used it to kill cats, so he could eat street cats.
Hey, whatever you gotta do.
Whatever you gotta do to survive in the wicked streets of Bellingham. One man against the streets of Bellingham, with nothing but his wits and his bow. Shouldn't make fun.
No.
Move your gigantic head. I'm sorry.
You're catching people doing things, kids in this court. The moment of what you got and what you want to post and get likes or whatever on is the focus instead of the help.
Yeah.
And that's
I parked like an asshole. We're going over the Washington Highway, which it's not always open. It just recently opened up. It's super scenic and beautiful, very windy. I'm taking it slow and just kind of making some stops, and we're gonna go look at this dam overlook. Hopefully there'll be a sign up here that can tell me what the dam is called, so I can relay that information to you guys. But it looks like a pretty cool little spot. Dang. Falling water. It's like a waterfall, but different. When I get back from this trip, I'm going to announce the giveaway of these 2 Trayvax wallets, both branded with my logo. So cool, such a cool opportunity to be able to do this for you guys. and so cool of Trayvax to make these specifically for this giveaway. So this one here is for the Patreon members. You can jump on there. Any of the tier levels will get you entered to win this. And then I have another one as well, just for YouTubers or people watching on YouTube. So just leave a comment in the comment section below, and any comment will do, and that will enter you to win the Trayvax wallet. So this spot's not quite as scenic as we thought it might be, so we're gonna keep going. We're gonna head towards Winthrop, which is like a cool little cowboy town that we came through a couple episodes ago, and but we wanted to stop, but we didn't have time, and so now we're gonna head back. So this route to Chelan is a little bit longer than going Stevens Pass, which is what we could have done, but I think it's all new to us, so I think it'll be a little bit more fun. We just arrived in Winthrop, which is like this tiny little, I don't know, Westworld looking town. It's like a cowboy town. Desiree's being a big downer and trying to...
That's what Sterling does every time we're pissed.
Trying to tell me not to stop places.
We have 10 hours to drive, and I thought he was pulling off to go on a scenic highway.
Yeah. Stop booping me.
Cool, man.
Not nearly as cool as my hat. This painting. So that's a peregrine falcon, I think. That's a gyr falcon. That's a golden eagle. I'm gonna say that's some sort of other gyr falcon. That looks like a red tail. Then you got a screech owl, and then a Arctic barn owl, an eagle. I don't know what that next one is.
You should write that down.
These are funny. Oh yeah? Cinnamon rolls. Delicious. Right.
So we had 3 of the
We're all done with lunch. It was awesome visiting Winthrop. Like, it's a nice town, actually. It's very small. But yeah, cute little place to shop. I bet you there's tons of outdoor stuff to do here, but we just don't have the time. We got to go get our kids. But I think the day is still gonna have plenty of excitement because Desiree is gonna drive, which is a bit nerve-wracking. So the truck, because it has the big tent on top, it's got a lot of body roll right now. So just everything smooth.
Here we go.
Sailing. Yeah, it's just a big old boat right now, so you just got to be careful.
Sir.
Use your mirrors.
What mirrors? Shimmy!
Oh God.
Yeah!
Hey, remember the dirt bikes on the back too.
What?
thought that happened. Could have swore I hit a bird. Look at this. Little birdie. Just wedged in there. Oh, he's so cute. I'm sorry, little guy. I'll take it home and feed it to Carol. He was so cute. But I'm going to keep him and feed him to Carol. That way his life's not wasted.
In the fridge.
Isn't that a beautiful thing?
Yes, this is very sad. He's so cute.
Nothing we can do now. Oh man, it's a lot of work. We got the truck loaded up mostly. We're just waiting on one of the babies. We're parents again. Here you go, buddy. I got you some time. Warm. Pretty hot in these rhinos. Thank you.
Yeah, my diet's pretty much gone.
Gone. Out the window. Woo.
Try again on Monday.
This burrito is delicious, but it sure is filling.
What?
Baxter! Oh, Baxter! Baxter! Ah! Milk was a bad choice. Home! What? Sweet home! Oh. Dude, that was like 10 hours of driving. Desiree drove for a solid 40 minutes though, so that was helpful. Thank you. Thank you. God, that was quite the journey. I know this video, probably not too much excitement, but the last 4 or 5 videos in this series, a lot of cool stuff went down. A lot of drama, lots of drama. And excitement. So make sure you guys check that out. We are home. Excuse me if my lips are moist. They're very chapped. I just applied a lubricant. We're selling this house, and apparently a guy came and appraised the home, and then he just went AWOL. He just disappeared, and he's gone, and he never turned in the appraisal form. We were supposed to close on the house tonight and get the keys to our new house, and it hasn't even been appraised yet, technically speaking. So it's kind of back to the drawing board. Hopefully this sale doesn't fall through. If that does, I'm going to live in a van down by the river because I'm going to be so sad if we lose our new place. But I'm going to get these children out of the car, and there's so much more excitement to come as we sell this house and hopefully move into our new dream house, and we have lots of trips and stuff coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Huge thank you to Trey VAX for having us. It was such an honor. I'm so inspired by seeing the hard work of the company and the employees there. Like they just pour everything into that company and then some, and then they pour more in, and it's just inspiring, and it makes me want to do more with my life. So without further ado, get some work done this week, but don't forget to live. Oh, grumpy children! You guys did so good.
I just did hard.
Yeah, we're gonna get out of the car, huh, buddy? Wow. Oh, they're lighting up.
I jump in it. Oh man. Yucky.
Oh, it's so dirty.
Yucky.
Yuck.
Yuck. Dirt.
This poor little guy. Man, my lawn got long quick. Hey, pretty bird. I totally understand to some people this might seem sick or just downright unusual, but I would way rather this poor little bird that I killed go towards something useful like feeding a bigger bird, namely my hawk named Carol, than just getting squashed into a million pieces on the side of the road. So you know what, Carol, you can enjoy that little guy. Oh. Yes. Yes, Daddy brings you a little treat. Was that just delicious or what? It was. I know. You enjoyed that, huh? Seems kind of fucked up, but at the same time, it's not. I mean, it's the circle of life. It's a beautiful thing. Carol, you're a beautiful bird. All right, that's all I got for you right now, Carol.